Hello everyone, I'm Mohan Priya and this is our group mate. Today we are going to discuss on our course project Heritage Conservation Workflow. The site which we have selected is Lockmaster's house at Hartwell Lock Station near Rideau, Canal. The Government of Canada designated Lockmaster's house as recognized federal heritage building in 1994. Lockmaster's house is associated with the construction and operation of the Rideau Canal and is National Historical Site of Canada. It represents the theme of military defense strategy for Upper and Lower Canada in 19th century. The objective of the study is to illustrate the heritage conservation workflow of the selected site, Lockmaster's house. The tools and technologies like photogrammetry, Autodesk Recap, building information modeling, and Autodesk Revit are being used during this project.
Coming to the heritage conservation workflow, we have categorized the workflow into 6 components. We have did the historical and architectural research of the site, and further we have evaluated the site's heritage value based on the Ontario Regulation Act, and also we have determined the significance of the site, and we have documented the components of the site using the photogrammetry and processing with recap, identification of risk threats, and we have proposed the alternative solutions for that. And also we have produced the BIM models using Autodesk Revit, and we have incorporated the roof in Revit architecture. And coming to the character defining elements, the Lockmaster house is closely associated with the colonial defenses and the construction of the Rideau Canal. It's been continuous administrative and functional role in lock station operation. It's been stable as a functional operation since its earliest operation. The structures, clapboard clad and hip-wood roof domestic exterior form is one of the major character defining element, and its preservation of the original building structure and the material within.
So this is a small video on our 3D workflow. So this is the tour of our heritage site. So these are the elevations obtained from the recap. So in this model, the roof has been added in the Revit software manually. And coming to the limitations encountered while we are doing project is that due to the pandemic, we couldn't go to the site and take pictures personally. So, and also we haven't seen directly the site. The documentation is taken only with the available photographs, which we have downloaded from the Dataverse link. And coming to the difficulties which we have encountered is that we couldn't able to model the roof as we didn't have any aerial photographs. So we did it manually with the Revit software.
Well, the developed workflow helps in identification of any heritage structure within Ontario, because we have produced the evaluation techniques and various criteria that are under the Ontario Regulation Act. We have also used photogrammetry techniques and other softwares that helps in the analyzing the structure with higher precision. The risks of the structure can easily be found out when modeling with the software. Like the recommendations can be using the latest techniques like the structural health monitoring of the structure, where sensors are kept in within the structure, so as to detect early deterioration of the structure, and proper measures are to be carried out to minimize the risk. And like the lessons learned are, we have been exposed to various softwares and various techniques like photogrammetry, which are very helpful in the completion of this course. Here are some of the references that we have gathered. Thank you.
Thank you.